Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you how to change your payment method customization. It's super easy, so let's check it out straight away. On the bottom left, you can see in the bottom left corner is settings option in your admin, in your Shopify account as well. So down below you need to press on settings. The very next thing that you need to do is to go here on the left side. You can see this huge menu, guys, but we need to select payments option. Once you press on it, we need to scroll down slowly, slow down a bit, and here we can see payment method customization option is here. So you can view payment method customization apps right here, and then what we need to do is just to select one, whatever suits you guys right here. Apps that integrate seamlessly with Shopify admin, allowing you to customize payments. So you can select from a variety of ones, guys: Realizit, cash on delivery, HidePay, ACOD, Hyperpay, ETP, country payment rules, and plenty of other stuff. So give it a shot, as I said, under payment option in your settings right here. It's super easy. Payment method customization section is here, so feel free to explore it for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.